Whammy. All right, time. All right, so looking at time really quick, we're going to go through and do this very quickly, recap it, so that way you guys will have access to the video as it goes through. We're talking about time. This is also means temperature, as you saw, but time can also be used with hora. Okay, so when we ask what time is it, you're saying ¿Qué hora es? What hour is it? Okay, so when we look at our three rules of using time, our three rules are you always use the verb ser, because with ser, and we'll get into this more in our next unit, but it's the T underneath stop, make more sense later, which is time or date. Okay? When we're conjugating it, we're going to use either box 3 or box 6. Again, this will make sense more next week. Which means we're either going to use es or son, because everything aligns by what? Gender and number, very good. So everything aligns by number and gender. If it's es, it's singular, which means we're talking about one. If it's son, we're talking about more than one, which is hours 2 through 12. So what does this look like? Yeah, perfect circle. I'm getting so good at this. Okay, this is what's called a clock. I know. Uh-huh. This is called a clock. Now, back in the day, back when I was a kid, we didn't have digital clocks. We had to use clocks like this. In between each one of these numbers are 5 little lines. Those are called minutes. There are 60 minutes in an hour. It's fascinating. This is really fascinating stuff. Yeah. Yeah, but you guys never look at that. In this time, we're talking about 1 o'clock. Okay? Well, I guess this is off. Sorry. We're talking this time right here from 1 to 1:59. We are going to use the verb es. All of this time, we are using the verb son. From 2 o'clock all the way to 12:59, we are going to use son. Okay? It's only 1 hour, because 1 is the loneliest number, that number 1. Okay? There's only one of them. And because there's only 1 hour, we're going to use es. But when we talk multiple hours, we're going to go through and it goes into using son, las, or whatever. So how you would write this is either es, la, uno, or, I guess I should have written that in red, sorry. Son, las, dos, tres, cuatro, all the way down to doce. Okay? Son, las, plural, 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 singular, singular, singular. Okay? And then you do it like every number that we have learned, right? Up through 59. So if we wanted to say it's 1:27, we would just say es la una y 20 y 7. Whammy, there is time. Okay? And then there is a way to say PM and AM. You would either go through and say de la mañana, de la tarde, or de la noche. You don't want to say in the morning, in la mañana, because you literally cannot be in the morning. You say de la mañana. Okay? So, son las 6:15 de la mañana. And that's time. That's how you say time.